J. Meow, meow, meow.
Who could be the boss? Look up to the cross, stranded in the land of the lost. Standing up, I'm sideways. I'm blazing up the path, running on the highways around. Choked up by the smoke and the charcoal. A lot of stamps and brands me like a barcode. I'm dashing on the media strikes and the media dikes. It's reinforcement for the fight. And that alone will keep John Gotti on the phone. I'm tangled in the zone, I got the bees on the track. Where the fuck you at? Let me hear your pigeons run your mouth now.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm plugging in them social skills to keep my total bills over $1 million. The last time I checked it, thank God I'm blessed with the mind that'll wreck it. Waited till the second round and knock 'em out.
They call me Big John Star, my middle name Mug. Dirty water flow, too much for the thug. They can't stand the flood. What up, Doc? Hold big gun like Elmer Fudd. The show shot, Mr. Meth, I'm unplugged. Learn, temperature's too hot, sunblock, burn. Playing with minds to get you state time. Lock behind 12 bars from a great mind. Killer bees in the club with his ladybug. Brought his sword to the dance floor to cut a rug. Love is love all day till they throw slug. And take another life in cold blood. Can't feel me till the show club. Murder race tremendous, crime is endless. Same shit, different day. All forgiveness. They know not what they do. I'm praises due. I'm big like Easy and Big Bamboo.
What's that? I didn't hear you.
Shut the fuck up.
Come on a little louder.
Shut the fuck up.
Everybody in together now.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
What's that? I didn't hear you.
Shut the fuck up.
Come on a little louder.
Shut the fuck up.
Everybody in together now.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Dead strong, dead calm, dead right down. Dead weight, they dead home. Let's get it on. 12 rounds of throw down. Who hold crap? Protect land with both hands. Limp biscuit. Get around like merry-go. The scenario coming through your stereo. Why risk it? Lifestyles of the prolific and gifted. Haters sent you vitamins and minerals, delicious. Word on the street is they bit my thesis. Knocked out they front teeth. Trying to taste mine. Acting like they heard through the grapevine. Don't shoot it for the baseline. 2 for 5 round. Pharmaceuticals. Hard as nails to the cuticle. Where'd you find that monster? She beautiful. Wu-Tang and Limp Bizkit. Roll on the set. Kick a hole in the speaker. Pull a plug and inject.
Mic check. So what's it all about? And where we gonna run? Maybe we can meet up on the sun. Discretion is advised for the blood of virgin eyes. We're limping on the track with the method. So get the sun blocked. You get the one shot. Till you dissolve, I revolve around everything you got. From out of nowhere. Beware, you be blinded by the glare. I told you not to stare. Now you turned into stone. Without a microphone. But don't you forget you're in the zone. And take that shit back. Cause all your shit's whack. When it's laid out like that, burning up your brain like a piston. So all those who didn't listen never even knew what they were missing. Never even knew that the sky was falling down. Wu-Tang Clan full of clowns.
What's that? I didn't hear you.
Shut the fuck up.
Come on a little louder.
Shut the fuck up.
Everybody in together now.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up.
What's that? I didn't hear you.
Shut the fuck up.
Come on a little louder.
Shut the fuck up.
Everybody in together now.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up. It was over your head all day, every day. SINY 10304. Wu-Tang Killer Bees and the Limp. BICKITs. Y'all know the time. Y'all know the rhyme. It ain't easy being greasy in a world full of cleanliness and you know all that other madness. We gone. Peace.